Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Happy New Year to everybody. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. We'll start with the corn market. Okay, 2 weeks ago, I put up a monthly chart of corn and said that we'd come back today and put that same monthly chart up of corn here. So here's our first chart of the day, a monthly chart of corn. And I noticed early in the month we took out the previous month's high and low. So that always gets my attention. But here we are, we're not closing to any extreme high or low, so I'm not sure the corn market knows which way it's going to go. Certainly crude oil's been trending higher, and that's got to play on corn and soybean oil, so perhaps some strength in the new year, and that'd be good for the U.S. farmers, so that would be a good thing. Demand is good for corn, so we'll kind of see how we go into 2017. Okay, the soybean market. Well, the bulls certainly got Thanksgiving this year, and the bears got Christmas. So 3 things in the soybean market. Number 1 is South American weather. Number 2 is People Republic of China buying of U.S. soybeans. We've got to keep that going. I think it will. And then number 3, we're getting closer and closer to a January 12th crop report. This is supposed to be a bearish report. And the last USDA tabulation of our production in corn and soybeans in 2016. I feel like this report's going to be bearish, and all this bearish news is worked into the price of soybeans. So I think volatility is in order here. The last day, December 23rd, we're sharply lower on soybeans, and then we come in the next week after a long Christmas holiday weekend, and soybeans are 25 cents higher, so stay tuned for more of that. Okay, so we mentioned South American weather, and it's dry in South America. A couple of the analysts that I follow, they don't want to be short soybeans in here. They're a little nervous about this weather situation in South America. Now, soybeans, they pollinate in February, so that's still 30, 40, 50 days away from now. So that's almost impossible to predict weather in that part of the world in February. But we'll keep talking about it. Okay, we got a monthly chart of soybeans here. It looks a little top-heavy to me. I'm not sure that it means anything, so we'll see more about that. As we get into New Year's, the Chinese New Year, the demand for pork, soybean meal in China is at a 2.5-year high, so that's interesting. And the demand for pork now in China very, very strong. So we'll see about that. The wheat market, I keep reading more and more about the fund rebalancing in 2017, which makes buying of wheat, a lot of wheat contracts to buy. So our third chart here, we got a weekly chart of wheat, a monthly chart of wheat here. So we're looking at the 3 monthly charts of the grains. You can see wheat in very good support here. So maybe wheat's a candidate for a bull market in 2017. Okay, we're closed on Monday, so let's everybody have just an excellent New Year's weekend.